We'll guide you through how to find and open the secure folder on a Samsung phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. The secure folder is really useful to use because you can go and keep things separate in there and secure. So for example, you may want to go and have a certain app in there, and then you can go and keep that with a different code from the main code for your phone. So it's really secure and separate. This is much easier than you probably think. So what you need to do is go and swipe up. We now need to go and find the settings app, and we can then tap on it. Now what we need to do is we need to go and scroll down here, and you want to go and find the option for security and privacy. Tap in here. Once you're in here, you need to go down and you need to go and find the option for more security settings. Come into here. And then what you need to do is you need to go and find secure folder at the top. If you haven't gone and used it before, you can then go and be prompted to set it up here. If you already have, then what you need to do is go and switch on, add secure folder to app screen like so. Now I can close it. I can then go and swipe up. You can then find it in your app pages. If you wish, tap and hold it and you can add it to the home.